Kaizen, a Japanese term which means change for the better. The concept of Kaizen encompasses a wide range of ideas which involves making the work environment more efficient and effective by creating a team atmosphere. Before we move on, I would like to call upon Ms. Swati to lead us in prayer. Kindly raise.
Jagajanani Sukapani Kalyani Jagajanani Sukapani Kalyani Jagajanani Jagajanani Sukhaswarupini Madhuravadi Sukhaswarupini Madhuravadi Swapnanada Mano
Affiliated courses which empower the new generation to get the right career break in these fields. The institutions not only provide students with quality education but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle of Karavali colleges. No effort is spared in providing students with a focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personality. College has registered continuous superlative performance by successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali group of colleges have 4 independent campuses at Kottara Chowki, Vamanjur, Neerumarga and Bangalore with more than 40 courses. I would now request Ms. Apurva to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of Karavali Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, on this memorable moment. Now I request Mr. Nizar Ahmad to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, as a token of our love and respect.
Rao ma'am, Director, Karavali Group of Colleges, Mangalore. Ma'am has always been support to this Karavalian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities, showering her endless blessings on us. Now I request Ms. Haritha to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. I would like to gracefully welcome all the principals of the Karavali Group of Colleges present here for the celebration. I welcome the teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff and the one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and media who have come here to witness the celebration. A warm welcome to all the students of Karavali Group of Colleges. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you. I welcome you too. As we proceed, we have come to the most important part of the inaugural function. It's with great honor I would like to call upon Srimati Lata G. Rao ma'am, the Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, and our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder of Karavali Group of Colleges, to inaugurate and mark the beginning of today's session by releasing the pigeon. Moves to build a better society. Enterprising, spirited and ever-smiling personality of Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder chairman, Karavali Group of Colleges, is a classic example of hope, determination and achievement. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded and recognized and has earned a fair share of them. Sir's able, efficient, and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation as a recipient of several national and international awards given in the recognition of his extraordinary talent in the field of education, especially in untapped professional areas. The influence of his vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours. Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, to kindly address the young minds.
Namaste. Namaste, Karavali. Respected dignitaries on the dais, especially Director of the group, Madam Lataji Rao, Mr. Venkat Rao, all the dynamic dashing principals, professional members of faculty, media friends, last but not the least, most probably the most important segment of the college, that is you, my dear student friends. Very good morning to all of you. Today we are celebrating Kaizen. 12:30 there will be one more small function, that is my birthday celebration. We are clubbing both. As you are all aware, every year birthday, either we give sweets or food. Few years before we thought, is it enough? Usually small kids celebrate birthday, wife chairman's birthday. There is a reason for that. See, it is an occasion to celebrate. Today you are not only eating together, you are competing, you are celebrating, you are enjoying, you are dancing, you are singing. This spirit should continue forever in your life. God has given ample opportunity to enjoy the life. Most of the time, we spoil that valuable time by blaming others, by thinking about the problems. Every corner, every day, there will be constraints, there will be problems. We have to face the problems with a lot of energy and positive power. Where this positive power will be generated? Once you start appreciating yourself, once you develop the attitude of confidence, naturally, you will have that confidence. That is the reason Kaizen is celebrated, so that all the students of our group, Karavali group, today you know how many events are there, right? I think next 30 minutes all the rooms will be full, starting from cooking without fire, to flower arrangement, fashion show, folk dance, western. Afternoon, heavy lunch will be there. Till evening we are enjoying. The intention is very simple, my dear friends. It is not to glorify. It is to indirectly teach all of you, because most of the time up to +2, the only job is to read. KG class starts. 10th it will be worst. PU almost you are, exhausting. Degree level, education is very important. Studying is very important. Along with that, try to develop, because you are in the last step of your enjoyment life. Once you complete your course, you are into professional life and personal life, wherein you will have to shoulder a lot of responsibilities. If you want to sing also, sometimes you may not be in a position to sing. If you join some IT company, if you sing in the office, they will show your place. Or if you want to dance also, your own husband or wife may not allow for that. You will have a lot of responsibilities. So this is the best part of your life. Enjoy to the optimum level. While enjoying, don't break the rules and regulation. Don't get caught. Don't trouble others. Simply enjoy. Make noise. Appreciate your friends. Take photos. Just carry forward the happiness. Tomorrow, while facing the actual life, what I mean to say is actual life is a life after your professional education, both personal and professional. Most of the girls and boys will be very eager to get married. The single aim of some of the students. Important, everything is important. But you need to have something in your pocket to yap. College life mein kya kiya? Usually don't talk about negative things, what is happening in all the other campuses. should not happen in our campus. Even last week, there was a fest in a professional college. I was told first 1 or 2 days fest went very smoothly. Third day, there was a police lathi charge. Students, I am happy, glad and proud. Never in 24 years, Karavali College, police have not even entered our campus. Usually 1 or 2 police will be waiting there, as a courtesy. That's our decency. Let me appreciate and thank all the principal and staff and students for maintaining this dignity and discipline. Enjoyment won't mean that you should trouble others. Enjoyment won't mean that you have to really harm others. Not only physically harming, even the sentiments of the people. If you take the society at large, many occasions I have been telling now, last 15 days my style of speech has changed. People are looking at each other with a doubtful eyes. Everybody is trying to compel their opinion on others. Both the parties. Let me not appreciate or criticize anyone because I like everyone. Everyone is mine. Entire India is mine. When I develop that attitude, I cannot take a party this side or that side. Both the sides are my dear friends. Develop that attitude of oneness. What is going around us? Discrimination, divide and rule, doubt, fear. It is going to up to the level of physical attack. Self-respect is the best thing in our life. For that, we have to be self-disciplined, one part. Other part, everybody should know how to recognize, reward, and appreciate others' opinion. Once it is not there, what is the use of education? What is the use of development? What is the use of progress? What is the use of this peaceful life? You spend 3 or 4 years in Karavali. I'll bet one day you show me the discrimination. It is not possible in my college. Whomever may the principal, whomever the lecturers, whomever may the students, whomever may the agents. We should run and lead our life with the policies, not with the individual ego complexes. Everyone thinks I am big. Yes, nothing wrong. You are big. You are great. Let me salute. Let me appreciate. Meanwhile, you appreciate a person who appreciates you. You salute a person who salutes you. You reciprocate not only the respect, also love and affection and all the possible tender feelings. There is a reason, my dear students, whether it's a birthday or whether it's a kaizen, both are one and same. Wishing part, we will make it at 12:30 because I expect still you have starting problem. Your faces are, that I feel. I think after enjoying the fashion show and western dance, you will come to the original mood. I am sorry, chairs are less. We have immediately ordered from the stage. Everybody will get a seat. You already have a seat. Idhar hai. All the students have a seat in my heart. If you are not getting the seat here to sit, it is a problem of my team. Even though they are working hard, most probably they have underestimated my students, all the principals. Students will not come. I told yesterday meeting, students will come. Because of the simple reason, with all the odds and up and downs and opinion differences, I love my students. That's all. Five fingers are there. How I can expect every student be equal and same? Five fingers are there. How I can expect all the principal and teachers should be same? We are trying to motivate you only within the framework. Beyond the framework, your opinion is my opinion. Let me respect your opinion. Let me appreciate your opinion. But when it is come to framework, college, classroom, attendance, fees, discipline, function, involvement, we are strict. Apart from that, what best we can help you? Yes, we are here for that. God has blessed us too. God has given this chair to us to help you, not to punish you. Certain wise are sometimes Mr. Z's and principals are very strict. We are duty bound to mold you, motivate you, develop you, upgrade you, so that after 5 to 10 years, same team you will appreciate. In fact, when I was directly dealing the things, so many students even now they approach. They say, sir, now we are not going for rounds. It is very bad, sir. When we were students, we were going for rounds. We were very tough. Now my people are tough, that's all. So it is a delegation of the power. So my dear friends, ಕೈಜಾನ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಬಡಿದೆಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಸಿ ಜೀವನ ಪರ್ಯಂತ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೈಜಾನ್ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ಕೇವಲ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ದೀಪ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ದೀಪವಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ನೀವು ಇರುವಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಈ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡೋಗಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಕನಸು ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಜೆ ಇಂಥ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸತ್ಯ, ನ್ಯಾಯ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಸಹೋದರತೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾಳಿ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಾಳಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ, ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಾವು ಆಯೋಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಕೈಜಾನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಊಟ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಜೀವನ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರದ ಬದುಕೊಳಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, कितना मिलेगा, कितना लॉस हो जाएगा. ऐसा लाइफ नहीं होना चाहिए. इन्वॉल्व लाइफ. Calculation required wherever it is required. Whether parents calculate about your expenditure when they purchase a dress for you, whether parents calculate your fees as the trend. Now last few years pharmacy is a trend. Once upon a time even 30,000 fees parents were hesitating. Now it is 1 lakh plus. Parents are paying, even though some of the parents are not able to afford for that, because their only wish is to see that their children are happy. So with Ayurveda, so with interior design. So what I mean to say, when there is a love, affection and respect, there is no calculation. So between chairman sir and students, there should not be any calculation. We have to calculate the volume and the depth and width of the love and affection and respect. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, after a few years you will understand. I am very happy. ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತೆ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ರಶ್ ಆದರೂ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ 50% ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫುಲ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫುಲ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫುಲ್. Yesterday they approached me, sir, some classroom halls are not sufficient, we have more entry. I said, why you are changing your face? You should be happy, glad. That denotes, that is a signal, that is a sample for students getting more involved in the activities. That itself denotes students are extremely positive, productive and good. We should be happy about that. I said, open one more hall. Why you restrict 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, 4 floor? Only 1 floor is required for our examination. B.Ed examination is going on. So my dear friends, always please be optimistic. Always please be happy. Don't bother about the problems and complaints. I've been repeating, the day one when you get birth in this world, you start crying. Your mother or nurse sometimes, or sometimes your grandmother starts taking care of you. From that day till today, so many people have blessed you, helped you, supported you. After completion of your course, when you are employed or self-employed, or when you are in service or industry, it is your turn to take care of your parents. So life is like that only. Kala chakra idda hage jeevana chakra irtade. ಕೆರೆಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ, ಸಂಸಾರದಿಂದ, ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪುನಃ ಸಂಸಾರಕ್ಕೆ, ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಕೊಡೋದು ಜೀವನ. ದೇವರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಉಂಟು. ನಾನು ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗೆ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಅಡರಬಾರ್ದು. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, we should not develop that attitude of, head weight and complex problem. When we suffer and when we lose, we should not develop that inferior complex. Expect, no, nothing will happen. I cannot do, I cannot face. There are suicide cases. Some people run, some people show their back. That should not happen, my dear friends, because God has created such a computer, such a system, such an environment. For every problem, there is a medicine. Once we cross the limit, what happens? What is happening in China? People started eating everything under the sun, except, thank God, they are not eating human beings. Earlier, Puranas, if you know, Rakshasa were eating human beings also. There is a limit for every good and bad things. There is a limitation for the goodness also. Just because we are good, we cannot tolerate illegal, immoral, unusual things. Like for bad things also there is a limit. Just because God has blessed, we cannot trouble others too much. Tomorrow we cannot kill others and eat. So this universe or the God or the earth has a automatic control. Many times we cry, Western culture, this happened, that happened, Indianized, Hindus, Muslims, Christian. Let me tell, this is the 24th year I am running this college. 24 years before, maybe 10 years before when I was students also people were telling, there will be lot of problem in future. Youngsters are not in the track. Nothing has happened. Nothing will happen for 100 years. If they say Karavali College youngsters, they will change their mood and attitude and style. Nothing will happen. Time to time changes are inevitable. But we should be smart enough. We should be, dynamic enough or decent enough, dignified enough to select what are the changes are admissible in our life. What are the changes are required in our life? What are the changes? What are the changes? See, this is a common sense. When I am speaking or whatever it is, I don't tolerate lack of common sense. Students cannot see there again, they are fixing chairs there. Please, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇರ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೇರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 500 ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಬಂದರೂ ಆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಮಿಯಾನ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಚೇರ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. The basic problem is with our thinking. We think this should be like this only. This should be like this only. Then the problem starts. That is the reason, my dear students, once again, maybe 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I will be addressing you at 12:30. My only wish and expectation for the day, I want to see smile in everybody's face. All the boys, girls, I want to hear a lot of noise, lot of voice, decent and dignified. Illa? Noise! Adukku heli kodbekara. The problem is this KG class system of education. Unless teacher says, boys clap, you don't clap. Hodirappa. Bayali ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರಲಿ. See, by 12:30 you should be so hungry, then you will not be angry with me. If you are hungry, food will be tasty. If you are not hungry, if you sit silent, you will not eat anything and you will be angry with me. There is a relation for hungry and angry. When you are hungry, whatever we provide, it will be tasty because you are hungry. When you are not hungry, if you sit silent like that, you will be angry with me. Sir, kya khana de diya? ಖಾನ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಖಾನವಾಗಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಚಿಪ್ಸು ಗಿಪ್ಸು ಕೋಕಾ ಕೋಲಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್, then hostel food will not be good. That is the reason, my dear students, enjoy, make noise, don't break the barriers, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನೇನು ಉಪದ್ರ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ, ಹಾವು ಹೇಳಿ, ಖುಷಿಪಡಿ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು, ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚು. ಐ ಮಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್, I might have bored for 30 more minutes. Intentionally I have not done. I am not doing it. Because today's day is for fun. The message is not only fun. The message is interest in the life. Interest to get involved in the life. The capacity to enjoy the life. And carry forward that happiness. And remember that. ಸಾವಿರ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸವಿಗನಸುಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ಸವಿಯಲಿ ಬದುಕು ಅಂತ. ಹಣ್ಣು ಮುದುಕರಾದರೂ ನಾನು 18 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, 20 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, 22 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ನಗಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಭರತ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್, 23 ವರ್ಷದ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. 23 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇದೇ ನಗು, ಈಗಲೂ ಅದೇ ನಗು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇತರ ಮಿತ್ರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೈ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 20-23 years they have not changed. Why you should consider that you are senior, you are very old, you cannot enjoy. Enjoyment is state of mind. It is nothing to do with your physique. You can be happy if you think you are happy. So at least today you think you are happy. Students, are you ready to enjoy? One person, this is the volume, 2000 students. Are you ready? Once you are ready, let me stop. My job is to enjoy you. I don't want to talk. I don't want to continue, because my job is to make you ready, get you ready, not only for the enjoyment, to face the life at it and win, come out with flying colors. Are you ready to win the life? Students, thanks. You have given me Guru Dakshina. This is the birthday gift. My dear friends, I'll bet if you see this atmosphere in anywhere, especially professional colleges, no. If somebody asks what is the achievement of students of Karavali College is, they're all living like one family without any caste, language, region, party. ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, ಕರಾವಳಿ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್, ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು. BJP ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜನತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರಾವಳಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕರಾವಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. You have given me very good gift on this birthday. Thank you.
Inspires us to be dedicated and determined. You make us better at what we do. Thank you, sir. Inaugural session, I would call upon Ms. Raksha to propose the oath of thanks.
Springs from the soul. It's my proud privilege to stand before you to propose the vote of thanks. I wish to extend a very hearty gratification to our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao, sir, the founder and managing trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, for your indigenous presence. Thank you, sir. To Srimati Lata G. Rao ma'am, the director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion, and also for her support and your presence.